We are here. It is 2026. We're here, my friends. What's happening? Good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right, let's get these charts on screen. Here they are. Oh. Some good lo-fi going on right there. Let me change this real quick. Come on, candles. You can do it. You can do it, candles. Market's moving, and I can't see it. Oh, I hate this problem. What's going on? Give me a sec to get this set up. Oh, it is the worst problem ever. Can't even reset it. Oh, man. Hang on, guys. Stupid candles won't come up on screen. It just, I literally set this up before I started. I set it up. It's not working. Come on, man. Work with me here. Work with me here. People want to see the candles. OBS, fix this. I'm clicking on the literal window. I'm sorry, guys. I am trying. I just can't get it to work. Come on. There, that worked. My goodness, what a nightmare. Why do I have to go through this every day? All right, anyways, yeah, we got it finally. Jeez. All right, let me catch up with Chad here. Sorry for the rough start, but I'm literally tired of the same problem every day. Seriously, I was looking at the candles, got everything set up, everything was good. Then I turned the stream on and the candles disappeared. This screenshot capture just disappears. Whatever. All right, let's see what we got going on. Let me catch up with Chad here. All right, good to see you, Tim. Welcome in. Buy or sell. 8Ball says send it. Good to see you, Doc's wife, Allison. Good to see you. Let's see. Puck is in the house. Edu is in the house. Will is in the house. Good to see all three of you. Yeah, doing good. Happy Mountain Day. NQ is NQing. Hi, Rob. Good to see you. Yep, awesome. Welcome into the stream. Looks like we might have the mouse setup coming up here, possibly. Some amazing bacon strat action tonight. Let's see what it said. Says send it every other market runs. I wonder why I keep saying the same one. That's funny. NQ breakout, fake out. Morning. Yeah, morning biblical. Yeah, let's see crazy. Let's see if it happens. Let's see if it happens. Also having problems with my Bluetooth. Man, the tech issues are real today, you guys. I swear. I feel like the tech issues always show up in the worst way, at the worst time. Like, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. How's everybody's trading going? How's the trading going? TikTok, what's going on? Good to see you. Good to see you. Join from posts. Excellent. I appreciate that. Glad you're enjoying the content. Good to see you, man. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming in. Excellent. That is good news right there. Hope you guys are enjoying the shorts. Saw the mouse setup work out the last 4 times. Yeah, exactly. Did you get the Mogwai wet? I have no idea what that means. If you get some time spare, check the Discord. Posted a question, you might be able to answer. Sure, sounds good. Yeah, no problem. Remind me, I want to go over a couple of things. While I don't trade this first candle. I want to go over a couple of things, and then don't let me forget. Okay, cool beans. So, real quick, did some prep this weekend, and I wanted to, first of all, shout out the music on stream that you guys are listening to was made by the lovely Allison. Her music in the corner under the chat is there's her YouTube channel. Go check it out if you're interested. Gremlins. Yeah, that's right. The Gremlins. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. I couldn't remember. Yeah, that's an old reference. I like it. But then I'm old. All right. We're going to do something real quick. We have 8 minutes. We are going to give Mr. Pez a little bit of honor. Don't put exclamation Pez in the chat just yet. And I've got a reason. Okay. So over the weekend, our lovely friend Pez announced he is no longer going to be streaming, which was sad. However, he had very good reason, and he posted his reasons in his Discord, and I respected his reasons 100%. And I think what he's doing is good. I think he's making the right choice, and he's got self-awareness. You can't have anything better than self-awareness. He knows himself well. So I wanted to do him a tribute. I wanted to do him an honor. I'll turn off the, if you want, Allison, I'll let Stream Elements do its thing. I'll turn it back to you in a minute. Let me get through this here. Okay, so what that means is that since he's not streaming anymore, I want to honor Pez in a new way. Okay, here's what I'd like to do. I would like to change exclamation Pez to something a little bit more honorable than he slept in 115 times. Okay, so I'm gonna run a poll, and before I run a poll, I want your guys' input. We want to do something like Pez has been thought of 115 times, which is true. Pez has won in the market 1,000 times, like whatever, right? I'd like an idea that I'd like to change it. I'd like to change it to honor Pez. So, if anybody has an idea, so pop an idea in the chat, and then I'll put it in the poll, and we'll all vote on it to change it, because I want to properly and respectfully honor the Pez for his time while he was streaming. And I mean that. I'm not being a joke about it. I'm actually legitimately want to give him proper send-off. So I'm gonna do that real quick. If you guys are down. If you're here first, then you get the opportunity. If you are here from Pez's stream and from Pez's community, I just want to say I like that one, Allison, that you're most welcome here, and this place should be just about the same when it comes to setups. The only difference is I bring my own personality to it, and we do options. Pez's quantum leap, I kind of like that. That's, you know what I like that, Allison, because today we're trading futures. And we haven't been trading, well, most people haven't been trading futures, right? So today, we are back to the futures. You get it? You got me? We're back to the futures? Huh? Yeah? Jumped in the DeLorean? Maybe we'll do, Pez was sent off in the DeLorean, and then exclamation mark Pez will do whatever, however many times. I don't know. He might not know that reference because we're boomers, so he might not know. He might not know. But if he comes into the chat and he sees exclamation Pez, I want to properly honor him. It has been funny. Don't get me wrong that he's slept in 120 times or whatever it is right now. But now that he's focusing on trading, yeah, Gen X, yeah, I'm right on the edge of Gen X. Technically I'm Gen Y, but then they changed it. I like this for a mouse strat. This is looking good because it's already bullish, and I'm gonna ride the next candle up, you guys. This looking good. This is a good mouse strat right here. We might have to wait on the exclamation Pez. Don't let me forget, hi Rob, to check out your question. And as you guys can see on screen, we're a little bit closer to me dyeing my beard pink. Here's the thing, you guys. This, like I've said before, if you didn't know what this is, at the very top hand screen here, people have been contributing to the stream, not ever asking for that. It's never required. This content right here that I'm doing will always be 100% free. That's my promise. 100% free. Okay, and I put that in my Discord. However, people sometimes want to support the creator, so I give them a goal to work towards. That's all that is. There's nothing there. That thing could sit there for 3 years. It wouldn't make a difference. However, if we hit that goal, I'm gonna dress up in a full pirate costume and dye my beard pink, and I'm gonna show up on stream as Captain Pinkbeard. So you guys make the call. If you want to humiliate me, then you can. I'm also going to film the behind the scenes process of dyeing my beard, so you can see that. It'll be a special video. And the people that you see on screen up there are the ones that have already been crazy enough to contribute to this goal. So yeah, it's gonna be, if it happens, it's gonna be a lot of fun. If it never happens, that's fine too. I'm good either way. Yeah. But that's what y'all are gonna get. Yeah, that's what you're gonna get. I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be interesting. TikTok, the goal is right here. Same. Okay. Let's take a quick look at this NQ trade. This is a rough one because it's got big wicks on both sides. Usually when I'm looking for this fake out, breakout, fake out, I'm looking for one strong candle and it closes strong. Wow, what a market move. Jeez, look at that. That's insane. If it closes like with super long wicks, that's not gonna work. We are back to plundering gold though. This isn't really, it should have closed here, you know. I might have to wait for better price structure on this one. So, okay, NQ Pinkbeard, yeah. What's going on, Dan? Yo, Seth, for Bullnox, what app can I trade in? Bullnox you can trade in. I have the code on screen here, Seth NYSE. It's still good. They still have a discount, 91% discount, which I'm very, very shocked by. Trades in, yeah. Yeah, I like that. I might have to sing a song too. I'll probably come in with the pirate accent and we'll do the whole thing. Who lives in a candle under the sea? What's going on, Orem? Good to see you, my friend. Yeah, what's going on, dude? Yeah. We are here. We're back in the house. Shout out to my friends in Canada. PA has been interesting so far. We're watching this NQ breakout, fake out, possibly, but the problem is that this this super long doji. The more doji I see, the worse it gets because it's so indecisive. I really want to see like a hard reversal. Yeah, I think gold is back to being alive, I guess. I'm not sure. Gold seems to have woken up a bit. 1 hour doesn't have a wick. Yeah. That breakout fake out on NQ strat that I've been testing, the second mouse gets the cheese strat that I've been testing, has a very specific look, and this isn't it. Whoa, look at gold popping over there. We got a level to the left here. So are we at all-time highs? I think we are. 4,400. Can you guys believe gold is at 4,400? I am blown away by that. That's just amazing. That's just absolutely amazing. 4,400. Dude, I remember buying gold when it was $1,200. Yeah. So I'm going to throw in a poll here for Pez. If you have ideas, please drop them in the chat. Just numbers on a screen? Yeah, that's true. Crazy. All right. $4,500. Yeah, before it melted. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, it did come back down. That's true. Tropical trades, that's right. Let's see. Okay. Oops. All right, let's get a little poll going here. Sorry guys, just writing this poll, it takes a minute. Let's see. You just took a gold buy. Not bad there. Too close of a level for me. Okay, I got a poll in the chat for exclamation Pez. I want to give him a proper honorable send-off, but if I'm the only one that wants to do that, I'll find out real quick. So what should we change exclamation Pez to? Change it to Pez has been thought of however many times. Pez is quantum leaped, which would be like a Back to the Future's reference, right? And we can always he's left the streaming and he's going back to the futures. You know what I mean? There's a cool little reference there. I like that. Leave it as is, or another option in chat. And if you guys have that, then we'll see what that is. So we'll just let that cook for a bit. This is why I didn't take the NQ. Buy. Look at it. It's too doji. It's too wiki. It's too John Wiki. And I was like, I want to see structure. I don't want to see wicks. Long wicks are not going to work. And I'm glad that I made that decision because look at it now. Looks like poo. Looks like absolute sewage. All right. Do me a favor, Rob. Let's see. Hang on a sec. Favor, how do you... I don't know. I never really used that tool. Oh, I know. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Okay. Yeah, we'll go through that, Rob. That's a good question. That's a good question, Rob. Good question. I will show that in chat because I want... This is not join the stream. That's another one, Crazy. If you guys like that one that Crazy just said, vote other. Vote other. Because that's a freaking good one, too. But that's, I don't know. I just don't want to disrespect it, dude. You know, I honestly respect what he's doing. Hey, Tease Dollars on Kick. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. Sorry I missed your message there. It took a minute to come up. But, yeah, welcome in on Kick. Welcome in on Kick. Anybody say anything on Kick? He said, hey, homie, I checked your video. Seems like you're new to Kick. Wait a minute. It's a spam. Never mind. Never mind. Not doing that. Sorry, dude. People spamming. People like, hey, I'm joining your chat and I'm joining your stream so you can do something for me. No, not gonna do that. Okay. But thanks for the follow. Yeah. So, but that message ain't gonna work for me. Okay. So while that's cooking a little bit, checking the TikToks. I need to restart the TikTok. I'm gonna do that real quick. Sorry, I need a... It's stuck in... Maybe I don't know. It's stuck in learning category and I can't change it. Let me just pause the TikTok. Alright, I'm gonna restart the TikTok. Pez is not joining. Yeah. Learn. Okay, it was in the right category. No, now it's in the right category. What's going on, Elvis? Good to see you, my friend. Sorry the charts are broken again. You see, you guys? See, it's not my fault. Why are the charts broken again? What the heck happened? Why do I have to go through this every day? Why can't it just be normal? Ah, it's killing me. Where's the charts? Hello? Oh my goodness, why? All I did was restart TikTok. What is wrong with this OBS problem? OBS is killing me, bro. I see it on screen, but it's not showing you guys. Sorry, guys. I'm so tired of technical difficulties. I just want to stream and show you guys what's happening. And it's just not, it's not working for me. heck? There's something so very messed up right now. And I can't figure out what it is. All right, they're back. Wow, what a dumb problem. All right. Okay. Jeez, fixed it. Yeah. Gosh. It's annoying. Okay, cool. It was stuck in the upper left-hand corner. I see. You getting teased today? All is good. What's going on, Will? These charts teasing you? Take it slow. Getting back into it. Take it slow. That's my recommendation. Okay. While that's running, we are going to, I know it's in the corner again. Now that I know that it went up there. Okay. What do we got here? 3 minutes till this closure. Still at all-time highs. Looking for a good setup here. All right, cool. Yeah, you want to begin the year with an A+. That's right. Same, you got the impulse, you really want to trade? Yeah. If you really want to trade, open up a demo account or go on a dead account or something and trade. Not to blow a real account. That's my recommendation. Okay, so I wanted to tell you guys, if you want to join up on the Discord, we have a Discord. Anybody who's interested, we're going to post that now in TikTok, as well as, thank you, Allison, you're the best, appreciate you. And I'm gonna describe something in the Discord real quick, something new. That link should work. If anybody clicks on that link and it doesn't work, please let me know. Because Discord has a thing where it will expire the link, even though I've told it not to. And I want to make sure the Discord link is working for you guys. What's your recommendation when you're at an all-time high? I would say I'm not an expert on gold all-time high. I'm definitely not an expert. My best thing to say is, depending on really what it's doing, like right now, it's obviously rejecting off of this number. So there might be a level that it's rejecting off of. There might be a level that it respects. Keep an eye out for that. Keep an eye out for a reversal resistance and or it could just be pushing, be bullish, and not want to come back. I know that's not the greatest answer. I'm still learning the all-time high on gold, to be honest. To be truly transparent and honest, I'm not an expert on gold at all-time highs. Right now, though, it looks like to me like it's going to potentially come up with some kind of reversal setup. Okay. Yeah, we got 50 seconds. I'll wait for this. I want to talk about, in Discord, we got some new roles. I've got specific roles in Discord. I'm not talking dinner roles. So if you're interested in understanding a little bit more on the Discord, then I'll let you know. Basic is here. My man Basic, how you doing? we got a poll right now for Pez if you're interested in joining, in voting. We got a poll for Pez. Good to see you, my friend. Basic is a friend of Pez, and he is the admin / mod over in Pez's Discord. Wow, look at this. Pop at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is the 1 hour and the 4 hour closure. So I was expecting a bit of a pop there, which it looks like it definitely did. Definitely did. You're buying all the Raris? Yeah. You made $450 on your funded? Nice. And 91, okay. You're $91 away from passing your account. Highly recommend slow down. Don't get hyped up on that. And I say that for good reason. I know somebody who has been less than $1 away from passing their account. Like 25 cents away from passing their account. And then took trades and blew the entire account. So be very, very, very careful. The closer you get to passing your account, the worse it gets. Just treat it like a normal day. Normal trade. If you lose, reset, move forward. Don't chase it, because you are on a dangerous path to potentially ruin and lose the whole thing. So locking yourselves out after a win is a good idea, but yeah, don't be like the guy that I know. I know some of you know him too, that blew it at 91 cents or whatever it was. That's going to be a short. Okay. We're still waiting for some price structure. Potential breakout on gold. We'll let it settle and see what it's going to do. Yeah, we'll see what it's going to do. We're here to plunder. We're going to plunder the gold. And the NQ. He is here. He is here. Excellent timing, Pez. Excellent timing. You are reliable. All right, everybody. You missed it, Pez. No, you didn't miss it. All I did is I gave you a proper shout out in what your decision was this year, which I honor and I respect 100%. Yeah. However, I want to do it in a way that's infamous forever. So I'm running a poll at the moment for you. And it basically is, what should we change exclamation Pez to? Because I want to honor and send you off properly. And that is changing the exclamation Pez to Pez has been thought of XYZ times. Or Pez has quantum leaped XYZ times, which is a Back to the Futures reference. You're going back to the futures instead of streaming, right? Some people want me to leave it. And then we have another one in chat, which I did like. I got to look at it. Which one was it? It was by... dang it, what was it? What was it? Crazy, I think. Pez has not joined the stream XYZ times. Yeah. Yep. All right. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So, anyways, welcome in, my friend. You're here for the poll. We're going to give you a proper send-off. We're going to do it. And after we choose, I'm going to change it. And then everybody in the chat is going to exclamation Pez. And we're going to give you a proper send-off. And I mean it as respectful and as properly as I can. And I know you didn't believe me, but I'm glad you're here to see it for yourself. NQ's leaving. I wouldn't call that. That's not quite. No, see this doji here on NQ? This doji is a no-go for me. This doji right here, no-go. You need strength candles and then a strong reversal. This doji right here is no good. That disqualified it for me. Hi, Pez from Europe. What's up, Puck? Good to see you, my friend. How you doing? Yeah. I gotta turn off stream elements for you, Allison. I'm sorry. So many technical difficulties today. Where is it? So we're just letting more people vote here. Also, Pez, I'm running a little goal that If we hit that goal, I'm going to dress up as a pirate and I'm going to dye my beard pink. And I'm going to humiliate myself on stream, and then we're going to make shorts out of it, and I'm going to live as Captain Pinkbeard for the rest of my life. It's not required, but it's there. If, you know, if it's there for the next 3 years, that's fine too. But I'm not asking for it. I'm just saying, if you guys are going to do it, you're going to get something out of it. But you definitely shouldn't. You definitely shouldn't do that to me, because that would not be... No, I don't know. It's just fun, but it's going to ruin my reputation. Actually, it'll probably make it better. I don't know. Yeah. Who's the trader that lives under the sea? Captain Pinkbeard. Yeah. Hey, what's going on, Juan? Good to see you, my friend. Welcome in. Welcome to the stream of all streams. Yeah. When you're rich, you want a life-size figure. Oh, that's an interesting idea, Basic. Pez trades now against my money from the codes. That's funny. W. Yeah, support your Pez. Yeah. Support Mr. Pez. Yeah. Yeah, it does. I'm going to be Captain Pinkbeard. It's going to happen. I'm telling you, I got the whole pirate costume. I've got everything. I've got the hair, I've got like jewels, I've got stuff I can put in the beard. Well, that's actually, it's gonna be pink, so I'm gonna do pink there. I've got the pirate hat, as you guys have seen. Tim has... Oh, Tim, you're killing me, bro. Oh, Tim has tipped another 25. Tim, you are son of a B. Oh, come on, Tim, thank you for the 25, my friend. You really want that pink beard. Oh god, now we're 64% of the way there. Oh god. Tim is funding my humiliation, everybody. Tim is taking us all the way. Mr. Tim, I appreciate you very much. You definitely don't have to do that, but apparently you really want to see this thing. Bro. Well, as I always say, when a massive donation like that comes in, I say thank you very much. That will go back into making this stream better. That money stays right here. And I promise you that. That it stays right here. So we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna do that. But again, thank you for the 25. Thank you for the first 25, you crazy mofo. Thank you, Tim. Thank you. So we will we'll make that happen. It's gonna happen. I'm trying to avoid it in a little bit here. I'm trying to make sure it doesn't happen, but maybe I should stop talking about it. That it won't happen. Oh, you're killing me, Tim. And everybody else too. Everybody else who has contributed, and some people have contributed on TikTok as well. Oh, it's gonna be something. Yeah. But like I said, I'm going to make sure. I'm going to do the whole thing. I'm even going to film the behind the scenes. I know. Tim, don't tell me that. Don't remind me. Oh, don't remind me. Somebody else is going to kick the rest in, and I'm going to be forced to do it. I'm half looking forward to it, half dreading it. Oh, man. Tim, you gotta save your money, bro. You got bills to pay. Oh, you're killing me, bro. You're killing me. Yeah. Well, hopefully I can add value to your life as a trader. Hopefully I can, you know, like I say, this stream here, I'm not a financial... I need to say this too, to everybody. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a broker, right? I'm just one dude showing another dude where there's a table of food. Well, that actually rhymed. I like that. We're going to go with that. So you'll have to take trades at your own risk here, right? And maybe at some point in the future, I'll be able to hire a professional broker or somebody that can help people manage their money. Maybe we'll get to that point. I don't know. Right now, though, for legal purposes, I cannot do that. Yeah. MNW? What's MNW? MNQ maybe. Gold's definitely having a oh, MNQ, yeah. Okay. All right, we're going to close down this poll. Oh, we have a tie, you guys. We have a tie. We have 12 votes. We have a tie between... Oh, I can't close it down yet. We don't have a winner. We don't have a winner yet. Pez have been thought of XYZ times, or Pez has quantum leaped XYZ times. We have a tie. Seth, I'm supporting you with the affiliate code. Oh, I appreciate that, Basic. Ah, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much for doing that. That code right there, for me, I said this in my last stream, that code right there is going to get me in with Bull and Ox. Basically, once that code is complete, and I thought it was going to be complete this week, on TikTok, it's right here, the Seth NYSE, as soon as that code finishes and they send me the affiliate payout, then I'm going to be able to get accounts to give away. So we are going to do, as long as Bull and Ox comes through, I'm in conversations with them to get free accounts to send you guys to do on stream. We're going to do Bull and Ox account giveaways on stream. That code is going to fuel that, basically. So anybody who has used that code, I just want to say thank you. I am going to return the favor by bringing some accounts to give away. That's the goal. Now Bull and Ox could stiff me on it, and there's nothing I can do about that. But I think that it's good that I'm able to at least start talking to them about it. Your trades are up 943 USD. That's excellent. Yeah, I like that. You know what? Maybe we should leave it up to Pez, right? You still here, Pez, or did you fall asleep? That would be honorable. Let him be the tiebreaker. Let Pez be the tiebreaker. So, Pez, if you're here, please, I need your opinion. Ooh, we got another vote in. We got a vote for leave it as is. Interesting. That changed the poll a little bit here. Almost fell back asleep. Before you fall asleep, let me give you your proper send-off, you schmuck. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do you good here. I'm trying to respect you a bit here. Come on, help me out. What would you prefer, Pez? We have a tiebreaker between Pez has been thought of XYZ times or Pez has quantum leaped. It's a Back to the Future reference. You going back to futures instead of streaming. So it's a Back to the Futures reference, and I kind of, if I were to pick, I mean, I really like that one. I really like the quantum leaped one because it's got that reference. You like quantum leaped? All right. Yeah. All right, I think that might be the winner, you guys. Pez is the final vote. Quantum leaped. And that'll be him going back to the futures. Let's do it, you guys. I like it. It's got meaning. It's got taste. It's respectful. I like it. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Let me change it real quick, and then we're going to give Pez his proper send-off. All right? We're going to give him his proper send-off. Let me change it first. Just give me 1 sec to do that. Make sure I spell it right. Quantum is a hard word to spell. You let me test it first to make sure it works, and then we're gonna go for it. And when I say spam it, I mean put it in as many times as you can. Let me make sure that there's a 0 countdown on it so we can do it a bunch. Okay, let me test it first. And let's see how it looks. Oops. Pez has quantum leaped 121 times. He has gone back to the futures. All right, you guys. Exclamation Pez in the chats. Spam it. Hit it. Put it in 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Spam it. Get him. Get him. Spam it. Exclamation Pez in the chat. Yeah. Yeah, let's give Pez his proper send-off. Mr. Pez, who we respect and love, who's given up streaming so he can focus on becoming a full-time trader. This is for you, my friend. This is for you. This is for you, my friend. Exclamation Pez in the chat. Oh, look at that. This is how much these people love you, my friend. They are sending you off with me. And I think it's amazing. I think it's amazing. Oh, yeah. We're at 135 times. My friend Pez. Yes. Oh, wow. This is slamming it. You guys are slamming it. Wow. Exclamation Pez in the chat. Yes. Hit it as many times as you can. I had to turn off the, to make sure that it didn't, like, block anybody, because that happened to somebody one time. All right, 161, 165. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to go back and find it. Yeah, you guys are spamming it. That's excellent. Nice work. 176. Yes, yes. I have the best chat in the world, you guys. These guys are the best. I love this community. You guys are the best. Much respect for you, Pez. Yeah, it's still going. Much respect for you, Pez. My honor to you, my friend. I think it's amazing what you've done in this community so far, and we all want you to be super successful. We want you to crush it as a trader. We want to see your face on the Entertainment Magazine. Yeah, exclamation Pez. What's up, Hot Skull? Good to see you first time. Yeah, that's for you, Pez. That's for you. I told you I was gonna give you a proper send off, and you're like giving me like this like side eye, like you didn't believe me. That's for you, my friend. You can also exclamation mark cheers, Pez. You can do that too. Yep, that's a good one, Allison. I forgot about that one. Yeah, yeah. That's good stuff, my friends. Thank you everybody for participating in that. I can close the poll now. Whoever voted for the other options, I appreciate you as well. Voting. Sorry, we didn't pick the other ones, but Pez was the final deciding vote, and I'm glad that if you haven't seen Back to the Future, you definitely got to watch it now. You definitely got to watch it now. So Pez has gone back to the futures. Oh, what a great one. Allison, I think that was your idea. That is a genius. Genius, Allison. Nice work. Nice work. Thank you, everybody, for spamming it. What did we total get up to? I'm curious. 184? You guys are freaking crazy. That was like 60. If you guys put a normal chat in there, I missed it because it just went... So if you said something normal, then please say it again, because we missed it. The chat just exploded. Ah, that was so good. Yeah, much love, my friend. Hopefully he's still awake. Yeah, much love, my friend. Yeah, we respect you and we love you. We want you to be extremely successful in the markets. We want you to absolutely crush it. Sick. Good stuff. Thank you guys for participating in that. That was awesome. That was awesome. I've been thinking about that all weekend. Well, since I read his Discord. Yeah. Yeah. But you know what? You're always welcome here. So, and one day you might pick up streaming again. If you do, that's fine too. But I respect you very much for wanting to focus on trading, making that your full-time thing, and getting some independence. And I think that is very honorable and respectable. And as somebody who's been down that journey before, I know it's a tough thing. It really requires all your attention. So you're doing the right thing, man. You're doing the right thing. Absolutely doing the right thing. Yeah, it's good stuff. Yeah, good stuff. Sweet. So enjoy your rest, my friend. And if you guys want to, you can do... I gotta start the music. Did it work? It didn't work. I need to do exclamation 07. This is 07. 07. You see? 07. 07's in the chat. It's supposed to salute, but it doesn't. I don't know why. That's dumb. There it is. There it is. It's this basically. Yeah, I need to change it. I haven't created it yet. I haven't created the exclamation 07, but we probably will. Probably will. Okay, let me restart this music here. Where is it at? Where is it at? Sweet. Yeah. Choked on my coffee. That was a lot of fun, you guys. That was a lot of fun. I'm hoping NQ does something here, so I'm gonna watch it. If we get a closure above this level, we'll probably look for a continuation trade. While that's happening, I need to show dang it, Rob. I need to answer Rob's question. Okay, so Rob asked about, you still here, Rob? You should still be here. Your upload is frozen? Oh no. Been uploading for 28 hours. Yikes. That's no good. Okay, Rob was asking about these. Hang on. Okay, you're good. All right, good. Come on, where are they at? The long and short position buttons. These right here. Oh no, that's no good. That's no good. Doc's wife. Oh, they're no good. Okay, so I'll show you how I use them. Feel free to do however you want, right? So I'll click on it and you create a level. Right click it, go into settings. I have a 2.1, I have a template saved here. You can't see because it's off screen. A 2-to-1 ratio diagram. Okay, and the way I do it here is for a long position, you can see it how it looks. There's a little bit of red here and green. What I do, looks like we got a breakout on NQ, but it's going too fast. Slow down, NQ. It's too fast. It's too quick. You're going to want to set it up in the ticks section. Here. And here. So I should probably make this bigger. So let's do I like to do a 2-to-1 ratio, right? So let's do 150. Okay, and then what I do is I save it as, and I'll do a 2-to-1 ratio template. Boom. Yes. I can also do a 1-to-1, which is what the default is. Right? 1-to-1. Now they're even. And then you can save it as a 1-to-1. But I like to do the 2-to-1. Then basically now when you're taking your trade, wherever your entry is, if your entry is like here, which it wouldn't be in this case. But let's say we were going to enter, this candle's already gone a bit far, but let's say we were going to enter there. Right there. Now you have a 2-to-1 profit target to loss ratio, basically. So let me go over that again real quick. Just real quick. You have these tools. the long and short position tools. All right, click on one of them. Click your level that you want to trade. And as you can see, it's a little bit off here. So I like to do a 2-to-1 ratio. I go into the settings. I change it from 100 ticks here, 50 ticks here. That's a 2-to-1 ratio. I can save it as a template and hit OK. Now I have a level that shows me my stop loss and my take profit automatically. And then you set this before you take your trade if you want. You can set it after your trade to take a screenshot for your journal. And that's how you do that right there. So, hopefully that answers your question, my friend. Actually, I haven't used those in a while. Gold might be producing a level here. We might be able to catch a continuation on gold. Do you know what the lot size is? Not on that tool. On that tool, it doesn't really talk about your lots at all. You have to do that in your settings here, which I have. I just have it kind of to the side. What do you want to buy? How many do you want to buy or sell? So you'll choose that there. And you can just basically select. Let's see if I can show you again. See the numbers here? You can select how many lots you want to choose. Yeah, screenshot it. I will put that out as a short for anybody who wants that information again. Okay, I was trying to show you guys something in the Discord. Can't ever get to it. I got like 2 minutes. I'm going to show you guys something in the Discord real quick. So, sorry, we have crew roles now, all right? The main chat in the Discord is, oh, I forgot to pin the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord. The main chat in the Discord is here. Crew chat, the crew deck. We kind of have like a pirate theme going. Because you guys are the crew, right? I'm the captain, especially if I turn into Captain Pinkbeard, which is going to be primarily Tim's fault. Which is a good thing. It's a good thing. Anyways, so if you guys want to know a little bit more about like the colors, like what does purple mean? You can see Tim is purple here on screen, right? Second mouse gets the cheese. Tim's purple. Algo here is turquoise. I'm orange. Allison is red here. Okay. No, you're good. It's all good. No worry at all. I wanted to prioritize your question before I showed you this. To me, that was more important. Okay, so to give you kind of the idea of what all that means, if you click here, please read first and welcome. Here's the roles. I'll let you guys read that if you want. Basically, to sum it up, I'm the owner. Which is the orange. I'm the owner of the Discord. My mods and admins are reds. They're first mates, right? And the fact that they're Australian is even better. I'm a double or triple meaning kind of person. First mates in the pirate world is second to the captain, but you guys are also Australian, so it works out great. Okay, purple. Purple is the elite navigators. That's the highest tier of non-Discord admin people. Anybody who has purple on their name is somebody who supported the channel. And same with server boosters. If you have supported the channel, you get yourself, at this time, you get yourself a custom emoji. And your name is on screen during the live streams. As you can see, it's right there, right? So those are my top navigators. They're helping steer the ship. They're helping put us towards the gold, right? I mean, come on, right? I put a lot of thought into this. Alex would be purple. Yeah, Alex is purple too. He should be. I think I changed it. If not, I need to change it. Thank you for reminding me. Then we have the OG crew, keepers of the code. It's a very reserved title. It's only for the first like 20 or 30 people that were here from the beginning. If you're an OG person and I missed you, please let me know so I can change your color. If you end up, purple is a higher color, so purple will show higher than anything else, if that makes sense. Right? Purple will show as a higher color. It's a higher tier. But the OG crew is a reserved title. Only the people that are here from the beginning get that title. And I want to respect and honor the people that have been here from the beginning, who watched my stream when I was just like starting out. So you're keepers of the code. Collaborators, that would be like anybody who comes in and does their own stream. If we get Aaron Trades in here or somebody, not that that'll happen, but if it does happen and there's somebody who isn't really part of our crew, they're kind of running their own ship, they get blue. And then everybody else gets gray, which are like, you know, the deckhands. You're part of the crew, right? You're helping man the guns. You're helping, you know, do all that stuff. Yeah, so there's that, if you guys want to read that. Yeah, I need to change Alex. Thank you for reminding me. I'll come back to that in a minute. I'm gonna post the Discord again, and I forgot to pin it. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm just gonna pin it. Pin it, everybody, everywhere. Maybe I already did pin it. I don't know. Okay, I'll come back to Discord in a minute. Man, that's a really bit overextended on NQ there. Quite a bit overextended. I wanted it's just no, it's too overextended. It's all right. It's a Monday. If we don't get a trade, it's all right. This candle right here was looking for a breakout above this and a closure above this level. I really wanted to close somewhere about where's the damn drawing tool? Somewhere about there. This is overextended now. And then on gold, this candle here is weak. I need strength. I need strength from my reversals. It's not good enough. I'm taking A+ trades. I'm not taking subpar trades. We get paid to wait. Okay. Another thing I want to tell you guys about the Discord while these candles are doing their thing. This is 100% free, no mentorship, no course, basic price actions, and stock options community. Futures and stock options, right? We're all responsible for our own risk. I'm not selling you anything, and I never will. I have nothing to gain from it. I want you to make money, not spend it. I mean that. I'm just trading live and showing what I know in my own unique and personal way. I feel like, personally, long gone are the days of paid information. AI has broken that mold. If you want to learn how to trade, you don't need to download somebody's PDF or join their wait list or, I don't know, just my opinion. You can learn the system from AI. The streamer is to show you what AI cannot show you, and that is implement it, bring a personality, bring human emotions, bring all that stuff. Okay? We've never had more free information in the history of the world than we do right now. And you're carrying that in your pocket every single day. This stream is a place for us to trade together. And I'm just one hungry person showing another hungry person where there's a table of food. And that's my promise to this community, and it will always be there, and I'll stand on those principles forever. I want you guys to know that. That's how I am, and that's the way it is. So I put it in the Discord. If I wrote it, you put it in writing, I meant it. So that's that. That's that. What's going on, Sam? Appreciate you coming in. And Nate, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. That's sick. What's going on, Wall Street? Haven't seen you in a bit. How you been? Good to see you. Yeah, thanks for the follow as well, Sam. Good. Welcome to the crew. Welcome to the crew. Yeah, welcome to the crew. I need to change. What are we at now? 64%. I need to change this on TikTok. All right, let me get the Discord off. There we go. Bye-bye, Discord. Hot Scola, welcome in. Welcome to the crew. Appreciate you joining up. It worked. The Discord link worked. Good. I am glad that it worked. Yeah. Feel free to say hi and introduce yourself. Let us know a little bit about your trading journey or whatever. But welcome in. And if you sub to the YouTube channel, you'll get a notification. I go live every single day. Every single day. Every day at 9:30. Let me get the candles awake again. Ooh, look at that. See, that's why I didn't take NQ. Didn't take NQ because it knew it wasn't overextended. Hot Skull, yeah. It's an interesting name. Very interesting name. All right, let me look at my stream notes. You guys, I actually sit down and I actually prep for these streams. Is that crazy? Do you know anybody else that's doing that? I don't know. Am I crazy for doing that? I don't know. Do I ask myself questions and answer them immediately? Yes. Oh, for Jamaica. Well, man, it's going to be Irie. That's all I know. I work with a guy, he's from Jamaica, and I always say that to him, and I always get a kick out of him. I said, man, it's going to be Irie. And he always gets a laugh. So it's an honor to my Jamaican friends. Okay. Not all in, yes. And staff meetings are the best. Yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. If you guys ever want to be part of the team, if you think of something in a way that you're like, hey, I could really bring this to the table. Right now, we're all just doing this on our own time. At some point, I'm going to be trying to take care of my people. But if you're like, hey, I got something I want to contribute, let me know. Let me know. If you got a unique skill set that you are really good at or whatever, let me know. Let me know. I do want to show you guys something. Interesting reversal here on gold. Do you guys remember when I told you I also am a painter? And then I totally forgot to show you guys paintings? You guys remember that? That was so long ago. Yes. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a painting. I have about 12. What's going on, Tyler? Welcome in. Welcome to the crew. If you want to join the Discord, we have that as well. It should be pinned. It was pinned. I need to change it. No, I never did pin it. I never did pin it. There's the Discord. Join the Discord. Alejandro, welcome in. Welcome in. Good to see you. What did I just... Indigenous Mike, welcome in. Appreciate the follow, my friend. Okay, it's pinned. Discord is pinned. Exclamation Discord only works in YouTube. Okay. Exclamation painter, yeah. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There's the Discord if you guys want. Join the Discord. Don't scam people, and you'll be fine. That's it. All right, one's in the chat if you want to see my painting. One's in the chat if you want to see my painting. I am a crazy creative person. Yeah, yeah. Nice, nice. Nice. Oh, yeah, we got a lot of ones. Yeah, we got one over here. Wall Street, appreciate the ones. We got ones everywhere. Okay. Maybe we'll do a thing where I show you guys a different painting every day. You guys ready? Don't judge me. Oh, you know what? I hope there's no green. The green is going to show up weird on the green screen. We'll see. Well, you know where I live, yeah. All right, here you go. The green is going to probably do weird things. This is like a sunset in Arizona, even though they don't have water. I don't know if they have water in Arizona. Yeah, I'll try and... Can you see that TikTok? Let me move the microphone. Make sure. Let me give a proper shot to YouTube, and then I'll show TikTok. This is really hard to do. Where's the edges? Do I sell them? I haven't. I thought about doing I could do a couple of things. There you go. I could sell. What's going on, Luke? Good to see you, man. I'm just showing off some art. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I painted that. Here, TikTok. You can see it as well. I can sell prints of it because this is the actual canvas. Like, I do a quality print. I thought about doing that. Doing prints. Yep, exactly. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 10 that I've done. And this one's, it took me forever to make this cactus. I grew up watching Bob Ross, y'all, and then I just picked up a paintbrush, and this is what I did. I watched Bob Ross so much that I'm like, I can do that. And then I just picked it up and started doing it. Bob Ross, that's right. Yeah, I'm crazy, man. I do music, I've done acting, I've done painting, I've written a book, I'm a pilot, I've fly a drone. I'm living life to the fullest, you guys. What kind of other work? What kind of other work do I do? You mean like painting? I like, my favorite kind of painting is naturescapes. I do all nature. I've got one of the ocean, I've got one of a desert, I've got one of mountains, I've got one of Christmas that we just passed by. I've got one of Halloween, right? It's not really Halloween, it's a swamp. It's a swamp with, like, I mean, it's Halloween themed. I don't know. We don't do Halloween, so, you know, it's something I painted a long time ago. It's more of like a painting on stream. I don't know if I could do that. Respect. Yeah, this took me probably 3 days to probably about 30 hours to just do everything meticulously. It's definitely not a paint in 30 minutes kind of thing. Yeah. Create clothing. Yeah, I could. I do have these pictures on Facebook. My personal Facebook. Possible type 2? Yeah, it's possible. Well, you guys let me know. I could either... Stuff like this, I like just... I don't know. I'm fine with... I don't know. Giving away the prints or sending pictures, or maybe I can incorporate this into this stream somehow, like for my elite supporters or something. I don't know. You guys, I'm open to ideas. If you guys want pictures like this, then we could do something like that. I don't have very many, so I'll run out eventually of ideas. But, you know, I'm open to ideas. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think I could do the whole painting setup on stream, though. Set up NFTs. NFTs. That's an interesting idea. If NFTs still have value, I thought that kind of fell off. Tokenize them. Yeah, that's an interesting idea. Wall Street. Aren't people exhausted by that? Aren't they fatigued? I feel like people are fatigued by so many things. People are fatigued by my course, and people are fatigued by you know, here, download my free PDF and send your email to my list, and I'll send you an NFT. I don't know. I just feel like people are sick of that crap. I could be wrong. Would you be interested in a long on here on gold? Let's see how this one closes. I've seen this before where about an hour or so after NYSE, it just kind of goes flat. Look at NQ having a massive reversal. I'm glad I didn't buy that. You think tokenizing assets will be big in 26? That's interesting. What's going on, JFC? I don't know what that is. We're just doing gold, NQ, and ES. I don't know what that is, my friend. Is that a token? Is that a coin? I don't do crypto. I did for a while, but then I realized I need something more stable. Yeah, possibly. We didn't get through that level. Let's take a look here. Let's see how it retests, Tim. We're also at all-time highs. So this is where I struggle with all-time highs because there's nothing to the left to compare it to, right? I'm looking at the 15. Yeah, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, we're at all-time highs. Oh, we're not. Ah, we're not. Ah, aha. Okay, that gives me better information. I see. Very clean to the left. There's a level right here. Yeah, 30 minutes, 15. Okay, up to that level might not be too bad. Ah, we can take a stab at it. If it wants to push above this level, it's got to really move above this level. Nice long bottom wick there. Oh, on NQ. Yeah. I kind of like what gold's done. It's done a bit of a retest here. I got burned on gold. It's very bullish. I think I'm going to open up something here on gold. We'll put in... If it decides it wants to push, we have clean range to the next level. It has been bullish. If it can really get up there, then we'll take a trade. This here, if this reverses, I'd be interested in catching the reversal back down. Yeah, if this flips red and comes down here, then I'll take that down. But here's the thing also, maybe not, because look how bullish NQ is. Very bullish right now. Now, we could catch something like this, right? Where we catch it down and then it moves back up. We catch it down and it moves back up. NQ does, if it does do that, here's what we need to do. If it does that, if you see here, this was the opening, it came back up. So this is one of those scalps. Yep, you got it, Tim. Yep, exactly. This is what I would consider a scalp. Get it, get your 30, yeah, get your 30 ticks and get out. We'll rat scalp it. Let's see what it does. I'll tell you what, I'll even put in an order. Stop sell. If it melts here. Let's give it about that. Take your own trades, guys. Don't copy me if you're not comfortable. Trade at your own risk. This is just how I do it. We'll see. We'll see what we get. We'll see what we get. Can you guys see that on TikTok? Yeah. Okay. Strangle plays. It's more of a scalp. Wall Street. Tokenizing assets are going to be big in 2026. Yeah, we'll see. What pair is this? I am trading on the left. I'm trading gold. So I'm trading it as a futures, not as Forex. It's XAU, USD or whatever. And then on the right side is NQ. You can see that on screen. No indicators. I am 100% price action. No indicators. And I take pride in that. I take pride in having no indicators. Price action. The only indicator I use sometimes is the bacon strat. And if you're a fan of the channel, you know exactly what that is. Maybe I should get the bacon out. I don't want to get NQ used to the bacon. It's got to be special. It's got to be. Usually I get the bacon out after I'm in a trade. I'm like, "Oh, come on." Isn't this funny, right? What am I looking at for the market right now? Well, it's doing everything opposite. Gold is selling and NQ is buying. Pretty interesting, huh? Yeah. I think both of them are bullish, so I don't know. We'll see how this goes. All right, no problem, Allison. No problem. Thank you very much for being here. I'll be here tomorrow, as always. Thank you, you guys. My mod, Allison, is the best. This is her music that we're listening to right now. Thank you for being here. Appreciate your hard work, as always. Get some rest, and we'll talk to you again soon, very soon. Not trading options today, Wall Street. We're doing options on Friday. We might end up doing 2 option streams per week. I'm not sure yet. We'll see where the demand is. But I do have... Ooh, that reminds me. I do have orders in... Did they fill? They did. In my personal account. I sold a covered call on PayPal on in my personal account. Guys, we also just crossed 250 subs and we crossed like 26,000 views on the channel. Same on TikTok. It's insane. You guys have been watching my stuff and I really appreciate that. Yep, have a good night, Allison. Good to see you, my friend. Stock's pulling good. Yeah, you know what? With the beginning of the year here, I think we might be able to see some good, hopefully some good recovery. But yeah, I'm glad my PayPal stock options sold this morning. IWM. See, the thing is, Wall Street, I don't buy options. I only sell options. I don't buy options because it's too much of a risk. It's too much of throwing dice. It's very much like futures, right? So I sell options, which for me is a long-term strategy. I can build and compound capital over time. I can turn $100,000 into $105,000 and then $110,000 and just keep adding to it because I'm writing the options. I'm writing the contracts. We'll see how this candle, we've got ourselves, it's doing the complete opposite of my orders here. It looks like we have a 1 hour or not a 1 hour closure. Top of the hour candle closure. Yeah, it's doing exactly the opposite, right, Tim? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, exactly. Crazy. Which is fine. That's why I like setting up an order block like this, or whatever you want to call it. I like setting up an order. I've kind of got an order block going here between the two markets. It's kind of funny. Between NQ and gold. But I only have half the order block on each ticker. But it looks like a full order block. You know? It's kind of interesting. Whoa. Does it still work? It does. That was a lot of fun. I hope Pez enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. When we do options on Friday, going with a pirate theme, right? Our strategy is the wheel strategy. Every ship has a giant wooden wheel on it, right? The pirate wheel, the pirate ship wheel. So think of it like we're steering the ship towards financial freedom with a wheel strategy. I've put a lot of thought into this. I put a lot of thought into this. Crazy, huh? Yeah. Just to just a quick announcement too. I cannot stream tomorrow. Join the yeah, exactly. Where is the rum gone? That's right. I cannot stream tomorrow. I am on baby duty, basically. Kids appointments and stuff. So unfortunately, I can't stream tomorrow. But I wanted to let you know. I think I'm gonna cancel these orders here. They're not happening. So I will put a official post in about that. But I just want to let you guys know here that I won't be able to stream tomorrow for New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. Why is the rum always gone? Maybe we'll break out some more alien stories. I've seen things that I cannot explain. Seen things I cannot explain. Yeah, absolutely, Tim. Yeah. Maybe I'll run over to the store and get some pink dye. Pirate alien stories. Yeah. Yeah. I think we'll save. I only have like 5 or 6 alien stories. So maybe that's a lot. I don't know. So I want to save them. I've told you guys one already. Yeah, I don't know if you're here for that or not, Tim. It's just 5 out of 6. Oh, you got one. Hey, one is good. Yeah. I have seen things in the sky I cannot explain. You know, and I wrote them all down. Oh, you meant 0. Oh, okay. What's up, Cody, my friend? Shout out to Cody. We're talking about you just a tiny bit earlier in the stream. I never said your name though, but I told a story about you. You got 0. Okay, yeah, I've got like 5 or 6 what I would consider anomaly / I don't know what the hell that is. What am I looking at stories? I even have one that a friend sent me. What's the story? We were talking about. I'm gonna do a short about it. I didn't mention your name, but we're talking about being within $1 of blowing an account, or sorry, within passing an account, and then blowing it. Your most infamous story. Good to see you, Cody. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. Yeah, like I said, at the time I didn't mention your name. I just said I know somebody who has gotten within $1 of passing 25 cents. See, there you go. There's the proof. There's the proof. There's the proof. Yeah. That's the proof you guys can trust me that I tell you the truth because it's true. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, I'll never forget when you went through that. I was like, oh no, he's 25 cents away from passing his account, and then bye-bye account. It's such a terrible thing. I've done it too. I've been within 4 ticks of becoming funded. For me, 4 ticks was like $16. And I ended up blowing the whole thing. I blew the entire account. Crazy. But thankfully, it's a prop firm account. We didn't lose real money. We just lost our entry, which was like $15. I actually lost like $15. You know, at that point, it was just basically a scratch off. Nikki, welcome in. Appreciate the follow. Welcome to the crew. The IWM 252 put just cleared over 100% in 15 minutes. That's pretty crazy. I used to trade IWM a lot. Yeah. The IWM 252 about to clear 200%. Yeah, it's going off. That's sick. No, that's good. Yeah, volume's a bit dead here, isn't it, Cody? Yeah. IWM puts. And the way I trade, were you here Wall Street when I did the stream? I have this, if you want to see the strategy that I use to sell puts, I do it every Friday, but I have 3 or 4 streams now on YouTube of me and my full strategy with puts, giving you the sauce. You new to trading? But it's coming easy? Oh, that's good, Nikki. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. Welcome in. How's crude oil looking? Yeah, that's a good question. Top tick 5 minis straight to... Oh, yeah. I still can't believe that happened to you. Yeah, it was all good laughs. Yeah. You know what? It's a good story. It is a good, cheap story, right? It's a story you'll always have. Nobody can take that away from you. Nobody can take that away. Yeah, what's crude oil doing right now? Let's see. I don't even know what the ticker is. Wait, there it is. Crude oil is very bullish. You're off, bro. It's good to see you, Rob. Sounds good, man. Yeah, we'll see you on Wednesday. Sorry I can't stream tomorrow, but we'll see you Wednesday. Yep, good stuff, man. This here is crude. Oh, yeah, this is crude oil. CL. The /CL, crude oil. We're just looking at it. You can see it in the background, behind the candles. Yeah. Was it? Interesting. Yeah. I've never traded crude oil. In Dubai, their toilets, they don't use water. They use oil. That's my guess. I believe that. I believe that. They flush with crude oil. Yeah, exactly. I have before. I've dropped that in his stream before. I always get a little laugh out of it. Looks like a buy on oil, yeah. Yeah, I've never traded oil. I don't know. All right, let's see here. Appreciate your strategy. I'm more of a price action day trading junkie. You need your structure break. Yeah, that's good. And I do price action on futures. Chevron's going down, which I do. I don't know. It's a good question, Jirogu. That is a good question. Cody, you might be able to answer this question. Chevron is going down. What should this gentleman do? You're off, guys. Good to see you, Will. Welcome. Welcome. Wow. The opposite of welcome. Thanks for being in, Will. Appreciate you. Yeah, very much. Appreciate you. Yeah, so I trade, you guys that are new here, Nikki, Jirogu, Wall Street, you've been here before, but I trade every single day except for tomorrow. Can't do tomorrow. 9:30 stock exchange open. And Monday through Thursday, we're trading futures, we're trading gold, and we're trading NQ as well as ES. On Fridays, I go through options. We're doing stock options, selling options only, wheel strategy on Fridays. And it is a 100% strategy. It's a 100% profit strategy. Yeah, we're day trading futures here. Thanks for the follow, Jirogu. Welcome to the crew, my friend. Welcome to the crew. Yeah, I can't wait for Friday. Yeah, me too, Tim. Dude, I'm gonna look at it afterwards, but I just sold some PayPal. Oh, yeah. I think I just made about 150 to 200 in just PayPal only. That's just one stock, just straight cash. I sell it, the premium goes straight into my account. I just made like a literal $150 in PayPal in the market, real money. Are you more about setting up a day trading business or like a 9 to? No, it's more of the only affiliate that I do here is with Bullinox, as you can see on screen. But I'm considering myself like a community trader. I come on here, I build a community, I hang out with people. I show off the trades. I show you my losses. I'm transparent. I'm honest. I don't flash Lambos. I don't do any of that stuff. Like, this is real life. I represent a real life trader in a way. 100% strat, but difficult as hell. That's right, Tim, but it's worth it. You added P&L on the Dissy. Okay, sounds good. From the trades we took, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds more like non-profit community. Not sure what that is. Non-profit. Well, non-profit community? No, we making profit. We make profit on Fridays. Right now, the way it works is because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a broker. I'm not allowed, and nobody is allowed to tell you how to trade. That is up to you. I show you how I would do it, and we do it in paper. And I do that to protect my own personal accounts. So then you can make the jump to real accounts. It's the same system, same setup. But on futures here, yeah, when we get trades, you're seeing real profits on futures. But it's through a prop firm, right? So yeah. Yeah, I mean I have the ability to flash my profits and flash my wins and stuff, but I just don't do it because that's what everybody else is doing, and it's not necessary. You can trust me that I'm telling you the truth, that I make money in the stock market. Yeah. Man, what is with price action today? This is terrible price action. Danny, welcome to the crew. Appreciate it. Welcome to the crew. I like SoFi. SoFi is a good stock. Yeah, that's one that I've been keeping an eye on. I watch SMCI. I've watched SoFi. That's a good one. I'm basically picking based on the premiums. If the premiums are really good, if the premiums are really juicy, and the time frame is right, and the stock looks good, then I'm gonna take it. It's got to be a good company though too. Then I'll sell the contract, and then we'll make immediate premiums, which is literally what I just did in PayPal. I just sold 3 contracts in PayPal, and Robinhood too. Yep. See, that's what I know. How many people know what Hood is? You know, Robinhood has their own. They're a company that has shareholders. So there you go. There's your proof that I know what I'm talking about. Robinhood has its own. Where do I trade? I trade through Thinkorswim is what I use. Thinkorswim, which is through Charles Schwab. Sorry, futures people. I'm probably boring the hell out of you, but yeah. Oh, it's your ETF. Nice. For Robinhood. Yeah, I do like Robinhood. I'm thinking about doing a Robinhood options stream, but I don't know if I can. I'm pretty sure I cannot do any kind of paper trading over there. And I'm definitely not going to show off real accounts because that's how you get scammed. Bad. It's a bad idea. Bit of a reversal here on gold. And NQ's having a little bit of a pop. Not too shabby on NQ. And it's clean to the left. If NQ decides it wants to pop here, we're going to catch it. If NQ wants to pop. Very clean to the left. Our next level is there. So we will hopefully get top ticked and reversed. Now listen, I might lose this trade. And guess what? I'm already prepared to lose this trade or else I wouldn't click on screen. But I'm also willing to show my losses. Because that's part of real trading, real life trading. You take a setup, you lose, it's fine, you move on. We're going to get top ticked. You guys ready? You know what? I don't want to get top ticked, so we're going to do... Well, it's already in. All right, we're in. Top ticked. Top tick reverse. Here we go. I'm ready for it. We're going to give it a nice... We're going to give it lots of room. We'll do 1-to-1. 1-to-1. Let's see how bad we lose this trade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up what I'm gonna do is at around 75 ticks, we're gonna sell 2, and we'll go break even. Let's get ready to rumble. That's right. So this should be about 75 ticks. Gotta get my ruler back. 75, 80 ticks here. And NQ, if it wants to go, well, we'll catch it. It's very bullish. I'm very bullish on NQ. All right, we're taking a trade on stream. On stream, we got it in. We're in. NQ looking good for a rocket. We'll see. We'll see what it does. I gave it plenty of room. When it comes to NQ, you got to give it room. NQ moves in hundreds of ticks. So if you don't give it enough room, you're going to get stopped out. I know that because I've been there 1,000 times. Why do you use ticks instead of dollar amount? Great question, Hot School. I'm so glad you asked that. It takes the emotion out of the trade. That's the number one reason. I have no idea how much money I've made if I win, and I do that on purpose. I'm not chasing the money. I'm chasing the correct trade. I'm trying to win the trade, and the way for me to, we're emotionally tied to money, right? We see dollars. If you picked up a dollar bill laying on the ground, you put it in your pocket, you probably wouldn't think about the rest of the day, right? But if you picked up $10,000 off the ground, it would like change your entire day. You wouldn't stop thinking about it. You pull it out of your pocket and look at it 15,000 times, and you would get, your heart rate would change and all that. We're emotionally tied to money, right? So I changed it on purpose to ticks, so that way I don't know what the money is. And oh shoot, I took this within 5 minutes. Oops. I should have. I wasn't paying attention to the timer. So anyways, that is the way that I take the money out of the, I totally didn't even see it. That was my mistake. My mistake there. I should have looked at the timer. So I don't usually take trades within 5 minutes. But yeah, so I take the emotion out of it, but it still could play. Yep. I gave it plenty of room. I hope I'm not in this trade for the next 2 hours. That happened to me like 2 weeks ago. I was stuck in a trade for hours. But anyways, what I like to do is after the win, then I'll go back and look and I'll see, oh, okay, I actually made $150. Nice. Then I feel the emotion. What I like to do too is after I get a big win, I lock out before I feel the emotion. Your longest trade was 6 hours? Wow. I did take an overnight trade once, and it worked out. It actually pulled me completely out of drawdown. It pulled me completely out of drawdown, and it was just, it was nice. I woke up the next morning, I was like, sick, I'm closing this. Did that one time. Oh, I love the top tick strat. I love it. It's my favorite thing in the world. I should have clicked sell instead of buy. Every time I click the button, it goes the wrong direction. Every time I get 10 ticks and that's it. And that's all I get. You swing your live account heavy? Nice, yeah. Doing all the opposites, right? You know what's funny? I called it. I said this is going to happen. Which probably means I shouldn't have taken the trade. But isn't that funny? How I just know it. Look at it now. Oh, it's going the wrong way. It's all right. It's real life. Taking trades on stream. Most people can't do this. No shame on anybody, but most people can't jump on screen and publicly humiliate themselves, which I can do. I'm also, as a pilot in real life, I am I'm able to have discipline under pressure. So that's why trading on stream works well for me. Yeah. So we'll see how this trade works. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm already prepared to lose. 30 still looks good. Yeah. Let's take a look at the 30. I made the mistake, you know, hey, I'll write that in the journal. Should have paid attention to the time, and I didn't. So let's take a look at the 30. "30-minute candle says, yeah, I think we're in good shape still. Yeah, I think we're in good shape still. The chances of it coming down and breaking here, I could even go. I don't want to go deeper with my stop loss. I could even come down here, but I'll probably be in this trade for hours, right? Honestly, I don't mind if it hits my 2 and then a little red support. If it hits my 2 contracts and then I go break even and then the final contract goes break even, still a win. Still a win. I'm gonna watch it on the 30. I like the 30 better. It looks better. We'll see what happens. See what happens. I'm in it now. Do I trade crypto? Not anymore. I used to. I used to trade XRP, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Solera. Never got into Bitcoin. It was just too expensive. 30 is easier on the eyes. That's right, Tim. Algo is here. What's up, my friend? Yep. Oh, you're good, man. No, welcome in. It's been a heck of a stream so far. Yeah, how you doing, Algo? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Welcome in. I don't trade those anymore. Once I saw the rug pull with, what's her face? Hawk Tua girl, I was like, yeah, this is a bad idea. I'm out. Yeah. And then NFTs have dropped off. I don't know. I just feel like I just can't trust crypto to be stable. To me, it's like not much different than putting chips down on a table at a casino. But that's my opinion, and I'm entitled to it. So I think coins are I don't know. I don't trust them. I like to consider myself somebody who is trying to build financial freedom, and crypto gamifies trading in a way. It makes it kind of a game. I can't say the G word on TikTok because they'll shut my TikTok down, but you know what word I'm talking about. High risk, little reward. Yeah, for most people. Yeah. And the fact that people can create coins and then rug pull is like, yeah, on the altcoins is just I can't believe that even exists. People are always trying to find new ways to scam people, and I think that sucks. Dalton Jones, welcome to the crew. Welcome to the crew, my friend. Thanks for the sub. Yeah, definitely, Tim. Well, that's why it's like, okay, and that's when I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get into options, and I'm really gonna learn this. And yeah, it's hard. Trust me. I spent 2 months straight learning it. I mean, I even set up myself a paper account challenge where I would go on demand, which on demand you basically can go back and take real trades in the past. And I told myself I need to make $1,500 in the market to see if this actually works. And it took me like 30 days, and I did it. This is before I even knew what prop firms were. I did my own little paper trading account, my own little balance, and I still have the journal from that of me actually taking trades in options, and I made $1,500, and I said, okay, this is solid. I'm moving over to real money. And since that day, I haven't lost a dime. I have not lost $1 trading options. And I can confidently show that. I can even prove it. I can show it on screen. Sending it. Yeah, seeing it now. Yeah. Oh, let me look in the Dissy. Welcome into the Dissy, Edu. Wait a minute. No, that's not right. Never mind. That's an old one. I'll take a look. Let's see. It's frozen on screen here just because I'm in the Discord. Let's see here. It's good stuff, biblical. I like that. Is this it? Yeah, this is it, Cody. This is it, man. You posted it. I'm surprised you posted in there. That's so close. You're within 25 cents of passing your account. Gosh, that's insane. Yeah. There you go. My man, Cody. Oh, you got a Charles Schwab login. Look at that. Yeah, that's it, man. That's just wild. Still can't believe that happened. Shh. The good old days, huh? The good old days? Cody's just like... Yeah, if you guys... I'm in the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, I have it pinned in the chat. We're checking out stuff in the Discord. It's funny. We also have custom emojis in the Discord as well. Blah. Can't talk. Crazy. So brutal. Yeah, good stuff. Love my Schwabi. I love my Schwabi too, man. Schwabi is good. Good stuff. Oh, I'm tired of these long trades, man. I don't want to sit in queue for 12 hours. Come on, man. Just close the trade. Alex, I don't know if you're still here, but I'll get you covered, man. There's like 2 or 3 Alexes, and sometimes I have a hard time keeping track. But I'll get your... Let me get your get you squared away in the Dissy. In the Dissy. Yeah. Alex T, not Alex M. Too many Alexes. Okay, where are we at here? Yeah, and so if I miss anybody in the Discord being part of the OG crew, please let me know. You won't, nobody will be upset. I just want to make sure. That's right. Yeah, that's right. That's exactly right. Whoever just posted that cat just smashing the go up button, that's right. That's where I'm at. But thank you guys for smashing the go up button. Oh, it's funny. It's so good. All right, let me get Alex squared away. So he's part of the Keepers of the Code. We've got 25 Keepers of the Code in the Discord. It's a good title. The OG crew. The OG crew. Alex needs that tag. Oh, it only lets me select up to 30. Oh no. No, he's got it. Interesting. Yeah, you got it, Alex. It's on there. It's if you click on your name, it should be you should see it under your name. Yeah, you're definitely in there. Both Alexes are in there. I'm surprised it didn't. Yeah, just type something if you're still here, Alex. Type something in the Discord and you should see the color come up. Should be there. Should be there. Yeah. It just doesn't do it in like personal messages. It has to be in the main, like the main Discord. Cody's got it. I don't know why it's doing like 3 dots. Yeah, I'll check out your message and afterwards, Alex. So I don't want everybody to hear it. Okay, you sleep. Christian, welcome in, my friend. Welcome in, welcome in. Chris has the crew badge. I also have your name on screen in YouTube, Chris, as a contributor to the channel. What do you think of UAVs? I think they're real. I've seen unidentified vehicles. If that's what you're talking about. Oh, are you talking about drones? Because I also am. I am a drone pilot and a real pilot. It won't show the names on the Discord. See, I've noticed that Discord lately is doing this thing where it's got your name and then shows like 3 dots. And I don't know why Discord's doing that. But at least the color is there. Maybe because the name's too long. I noticed it's happened across the Discords. But like some people, like the Biblical Trader, it shows the whole thing. But then on yours, Cody, it's like K 3 dots. And I don't know why it's doing that. It's very strange. So, see how it's green? This is the OG color, the OG crew. Keepers of the Code. And then Cody's here is just 3 dots. Yeah, there's your 25 cents. Is there a thing at the top where it says streamer mode on it? Maybe. Possibly. Let me look at that. I gotta figure that out. I do remember seeing that in the Discord somewhere with streamer mode. Come on, what's going on with this trade here? I can't remember how to change that. Oh, yours does it too? See, I'm not streaming in Discord though, is the only thing. I'm not like pushing it into Discord. Maybe, I don't know, I'm missing something. I'll have to figure it out after stream. I'm sure I'm missing something. Yeah, like this most recent post, it doesn't show. Oh, that was still you, Cody. Never mind. What's the set of the trade? I am trading right now. I'm trading NQ, and it's taking forever. Yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out after stream. Even if I have to ask, hey, ChatGPT, what am I missing here? And it's like, oh, go to the left, click on the 3 dots, and then yeah, okay, cool. Right? So all right, you got it. See what's going on TikTok. Marcin, welcome to the crew. Sub to the channel. Yes, NASDAQ, that's correct. Welcome to the crew, Marcin. Thanks for coming in. Sometimes these come through when people aren't even in the stream. There you go. Look, we're back to break even on NQ. Yep, NASDAQ/MNQ. You can see the ticker on screen. SHIB Rocket. Is SHIB rocketing right now? Shibu Inu? Shibi? Where's Shibi at? Did Shibi stream this morning or last night? What's Shibi up to? This cup has this foot at the bottom, and I can stick it to a table like this and it won't move. It won't move. I can like push it and it won't fall over. It's got a suction cup at the bottom. You had to leave a voicemail for Pow. Should be good now. That's right. I like it. NQ is going. Let's do this, NQ. Appreciate the phone call there, Cody. Now would be a good time to take off, NQ. Now would be a good time. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Let's see if the... Earlier we gave if you go towards the beginning of the stream, Cody, we gave Pez a proper send-off. So it was Pez has slept in X amount of times. Now we did a vote, and Pez actually came in, and I let him do the tiebreaker. Said, because you decided you're going to give up streaming and you're going to focus on trading, we're going to send you off properly. We had, like, the chat exploded with it, man. It was awesome. And I said, we're going to change it to, and we put in a poll, and what was a tiebreaker was this here. Pez has quantum leaped, which is a reference to Back to the Future. He's going back to the futures instead of streaming. And he liked it, and we sent it. And, yeah. our lovable Pez. Yeah. It was good. It was good times. Oh, my gosh. Cody Cow has subbed to the channel. Thank you, Cody, for the sub. Welcome to the crew. You're already part of the crew. You're already part of the crew. Yep. Exclamation Pez. Yeah, it was awesome. It was absolutely awesome. I have a whole list of exclamation commands if anybody doesn't know. Exclamation. No, you're good, Cody. No worries. You've been around since the beginning, so I considered that. Jose Santos, thanks for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. But if you guys on Stream Elements, if you guys want to see this on YouTube, come over to YouTube. You click on that link right there, then you can get the full list of exclamation mark commands. And there's a bunch of stuff in there. Like this one, right? I always forget to do this one, but I need to do this one. So 30-minute, yeah. It's looking pretty crappy. This trade is looking pretty bad. Not good, NQ. Literally 2 top wicks right here. If this thing comes back to break even, I might get out. Because I have these 2 wicks, these 2 rejection wicks now. Exclamation dad joke. What? Oh, I like that. Why do fish live in salt water? Because pepper makes them sneeze. That's a good one. I didn't know fishes had noses. Did they? That's corny, but I like it. Oh, NQ, you're doing me dirty here. It's time to get the bacon out. All right, NQ. We're getting the bacon strat out. If anybody hasn't seen this before, it's got a pretty good record. I think it's about 100% win strategy so far. It's bacon time. I have to. I have no choice here. Come on, NQ. I got the bacon. I got double bacon. We'll do triple bacon. Stack of bacon. Bacon strat is on stream, you guys. Bacon is on stream. Come on, bacon. I mean, come on, NQ. Go for the bacon. I'm desperate right now. I'm desperate, NQ. I will be surprised if it doesn't go for the bacon. It usually does. It usually does. We need some bacon strat. 8-ball bacon strategy. Yeah. Finger off the trigger. Safety on. That's right, Tim. Yeah, that's right. Does this... I want to see something. Does this one work? I have not been streaming for 1 day and 23 hours. Apparently this thing thinks I have been. Make a decision, NQ. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. You lost 122. Oh no. It's okay. Just lock out, walk out, reset. Reset. I might lose this trade too. If I lose this trade, I'm locking out till Asia and I'm not taking any more trades today. Yeah, reverse that position. That's right. Nah, but you'll be all right, Chris. Just don't let it tilt. You heading out? Are you heading out, Cody? Is that what you're saying? You're on night shift or something, right? You sleep during the day? Oh, you're not. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. Got it. Okay, cool. I didn't know the peace sign there seemed a little heading out kind of language, I guess. Come on, bacon strat. I did say if I come back to break even, I might get out of this trade because I've already had 2 major rejection wicks. Where are we at on the 15? It's still bullish. It's still bullish on the 15. Surprisingly, that actually, I was very surprised by that. We didn't print a red candle. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, might as well see a play. Yeah, if it can't get through this level here and just flattens, then we'll have to make a decision. But what is it even stuck on? There's nothing over here. There's just crap from like 2 days ago. It's stuck on this level right here. It's stuck in this consolidation right here. Could bring that stop up to that resistance. Yeah. I have a 90% win rate. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Move your stop loss up. Yeah, I think I will move my stop loss up. Let's go about there. We'll go 85 ticks for the moment. What's our 2 to 1 strat gonna give us? I need more ticks than that. Yeah, Dan, that's right, because the bacon strat. What should I do here? About 90 tick stop loss, I think, is what I'm going to do. Yeah, I think I'm in the right spot. About 85. Man, this sucks. This trade sucks. No! It's coming back down. It's going to knock me out. I think I might have come a little too shy. Let me come down just a little bit more. I don't recommend moving your stop loss, but I did move it up. I moved it up from here. Just giving it a little bit more room. Yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh, moved the stop loss. Gonna lose more. I should have got out when I said it comes back to break even. I need to get out. I should have listened to my instinct. We'll see how this plays out. It's all right. I don't mind losing on stream. Oh god, I know NQ. Here we go. NQ's gonna melt. Here we go. This is gonna be bad. Oh, give me the like on the stream. Thumbs up for the losing trade. At least I'll get that out of it. Yeah, here we go. NQ is melting. Get ready. Order filled. Ah! Yeah, I just got destroyed. And that is how you properly lose on stream, even with the bacon. The bacon strat did not come through. But you know what? Yeah, W risk management. Sometimes you're just wrong. You're just wrong in the trade. And that's all right. But you know what I am going to do correctly is lock out. And you guys are going to see it on screen. Break even. Yep. Boom. Locked out. Lock out. Walk out. Well, that's unfortunate. It could still, you know, when you take a loss on a bullish trade, I freaking hate that. Like, it's going up and I still lost. Like, ugh. So, I'm locked out. Now I can get mad. Yeah. What's lockout do? Lockout prevents you from taking any more trades. It prevents you from blowing your account. At the very top of the screen here. Let's see if I can show you. The very top of the screen, you have an exclamation mark. And yeah, going straight to TP. Don't say that, Cody. Yeah, but you're probably right. But Chris, at the top of the screen, you have an little exclamation mark. You click that and it allows you to lock yourself out. Keeps you safe from blowing your account. Because the thing is you take a trade, you lose, you get mad. And you're like, oh, I want it back. And then you take another trade and then you lose more. And you always do. You always lose more after a loss. Yeah. So it is a way to say, you know what? I took my trade. I get 1 to 2 trades per day. I take 1 trade in Asia. I take 1 trade in New York. Give me my money back. Yeah, look at it. Now look at it. Going back up, right? It just couldn't get past that level right there, which I should have listened to my instinct of get out if it comes back to break even, get out. Now it's going up, I know. And then this is where you're sitting here watching this and you're like, really? Now it's going up? I'm getting back in, right? And then you get back in, you re-enter, and you blow it, and you lose more. You will lose more. You will. If you get back in right now, especially with the lunchtime chop, you're gonna lose. It's guaranteed. You're still in. I would say, I would highly recommend, well, you trade how you need to trade, but I wish I had gotten out when it came up here. When it came back to break even. And I even said, I'm like, if this comes back to break even, I've got 2 rejection wicks. Yeah. Had a higher buy limit. Yeah. Who knows what's going to do now, because this is, you can see it's closing doji. So that's no good. All right. I am locked out. I just want to thank Tim again for the major dono on stream. Tim, you are a bloody legend, my friend. You're contributing to the pink beard goal. Cody, you missed it, but if this progress bar at the top here hits 100%, I'm dressing up in a full pirate costume, and I'm going to dye my beard pink. I don't want to look at NQ anymore, because it's going to make me mad. I'm switching to look at gold. So, anyways, that's happening. I know that's happening at some point. But I'm not asking for that to happen because it's public humiliation, but it will live in infamy. It will definitely be on the internet forever. Yeah. yeah, exactly. Yep. So, yeah, we'll see. It could take a while though, but that's fine. You know, it's just there. It's there for anybody who wants to participate. But, yeah. Pink beard for the win. I know, man. It's going to be ridiculous. I'm going to be Captain Pinkbeard. And I've got my pirate hat here, so we're going to go full-blown Captain Pinkbeard. It's going to be rough. It's going to be rough. Oh. So, anyways, Will, thank you for being here. My friend Puck, thank you for being here. Edgy was here for a while. Appreciate you as well. Tim, is, of course, right now you're my #1 dude up here in the top fans. Hi, Rob was here. Appreciate you as well, my friend. I hope you were able to get some education there with the tools. Hot Skull, appreciate you. Good to meet you. Welcome in as well to the crew. Algo, Cody, as always, bloody legend. OG to the OG. Juan, good to see you, man. Crazy. Pez was here for a little bit. Luke, definitely. Good to see you and meet you as well. Chris, as always, appreciate your contributions to this crazy goal that I have as well, Chris. Basic, nice to see you, Basic. And you're always welcome in the stream. Same with Orem as well. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, happy to do the stream. Dan as well. Piece of New York, aka Elvis and Biblical. My top 20. Those are the top 20 people that were chatting in the stream. My lurkers, want to give a shout out to my lurkers. You're always welcome to say something. If you do say something, I get to see at the end of the stream who kind of commented and stuff, and then I can give you a little shout out and just say, hey, appreciate you being here. So that's the benefit of chatting with me in the stream, is the sweetest sound to anybody's ears is their own name. And I will always live by that principle. So happy to shout out and talk to you guys. Tim's now lurking. yeah, appreciate the stream. Can't stream tomorrow, just a reminder. I'll put up a reminder in chat, in Discord and on YouTube. But I will return on Wednesday. Can't stream tomorrow though. Got family stuff to do. Kids appointments and all that good schnaz. Yeah. Good to see you, Cody. Rip the starter out of the truck. Oh yeah, have fun with that, man. Jeez, done that before. So awesome. Continue the continue the conversation over in Discord, and that is pinned at the top of the stream there. So come over to Discord, say hi. I can check that from my phone or whatever, and tomorrow we can even maybe look at some trades and stuff via Discord. So awesome. Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate the ones that show up every single day and the ones that contribute to the stream. You guys are the best. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much. So awesome. Take care of yourselves. Lock out if you need to. Yeah, W stream. Thanks, Ed. You appreciate that. Very kind of you to say that. I do my best. So awesome. We will see you guys on Wednesday.